What's going on, Garrett here. Now in this video, I'm going to share with you an affiliate marketing paid ad strategy that gurus are hiding from you, okay? Now with this exact strategy, you're going to be able to scale incredibly fast. So if your goal is to make, $10,000 a month or more, or maybe you just want a consistent way to generate affiliate commissions, even on autopilot, this video is for you. Now it's just 4 incredibly simple steps. I have it written under this document. I'm gonna go step by simple step. So whether you're a beginner, whether you've struggled to make affiliate commissions online, whether you're confused by all the moving pieces that paid ads can actually have, I'm gonna break all this down and more inside this video, okay? Now real quick, this is an affiliate dashboard, okay, that I'm actually a member of. You can see my name up here, Garrett Berry, and you can see, okay, total earned to date in this one affiliate program is $180,100. Now, I'm not sharing this to brag or to impress you, rather, to impress upon you what's possible when you use these paid ad strategy, okay? Because I've used paid ads to generate a lot of money with affiliate programs. So what's the very first step? Well, the very first step is we want to start running paid traffic with one specific source, okay? So again, if you're not running paid traffic right now, I have a lot of other videos on the paid traffic sources I recommend. One of them being Traffic Authority. Okay, now Traffic Authority, there's gonna be a link directly below this YouTube video. Traffic Authority is great for make money online, home business type products, okay? Because what you can actually do is you can purchase packages of clicks, and these clicks are real people that are very high quality, people that have shown interest in the make money online, starting a home business niche, okay? So what the very first step is, again, we want to start running paid traffic with one specific source. I say one specific source because a step, as you keep watching in a second, is how to scale. And if you don't know what's actually working or you're not tracking that, you're just blowing money and you're not going to be able to make the results you want, okay? So we want to run paid traffic one specific source. So let's say, for example, you go down under this video and you choose Traffic Authority as your paid ad source to start with. Okay, again, it's very simple. All you have to do is choose a package, okay, and then put your link. Okay, it could be an affiliate sales page, could be a capture page link. Put that here, and then you just purchase right here. Okay, so that's incredibly easy when it comes to paid traffic. Now, the bonus tip, real quick though, is we want to use a tracking tag with the affiliate link if using more than one traffic source. So again, for whatever reason, if you're promoting on Instagram, if you're promoting on Facebook as well, or maybe, udemy.com, which is another place to find solo ads, and you're also using Traffic Authority, we want to add a tracking tag to our affiliate link. So when someone goes to our affiliate, sales page, they decide to buy, we'll be able to see, okay, that sale came from Traffic Authority, right? Because if you're not seeing where your sales are coming from, again, you're not going to be able to scale. So how do we do this? Well, it depends on what affiliate offer you're promoting, but at the link, that first link below, you can actually check out a free video breaking down my #1 recommended affiliate system that gives you tons of affiliate products to actually start promoting. And you can actually easily create tracking links, okay? So for example, if I go here, okay, and at the time of recording, it's multiple income funnel is the system I'm recommending. Now, if I go to, this tab here, create new tracking link, now I could select a funnel. Okay, so let's say I like the landing page #1, okay, which is very, very high converting. Well, what I can do is I can choose, this right here, it doesn't matter. But what you can do is you can add a tracking tag. Okay, so let's say Traffic Authority. Okay, Traffic Authority, boom. Again, I'm putting that in there so I know later if I make a sale, it's coming from this specific source. Create link. Okay, so now, actually it's right here, it's tracking links. Okay, so I just scrolled down and basically you can see right here, Traffic Authority. Okay, so this is where my link with Traffic Authority would be. Okay, so I would just copy this. And then if I run traffic with Traffic Authority, I go to other website, I put that in. Okay, and now when someone goes to that capture page, they decide to buy because it's a very high converting funnel, I will see it in my stats, okay? I will actually see. So let me actually share with you an example. In multiple income funnel, if I go to team, I can actually go to team and I can see, tracking tag. Okay, so this one came from a follow-up email. This is from YouTube. Okay, so I'm able to see where my sales are actually coming from, okay? And that's, again, what you want to do. That's just step 1, but this is very, very crucial. Now, step 2 is make sure that you have an email autoresponder sequence in place to follow up with your leads for at least 7 to 10 days. Okay, now this is crucial because most people will not buy instantly. In fact, on average, it takes about 7 to 10 exposures, 7 to 10 follow-ups for someone to decide whether they want to buy or not. Okay, so a lot of times, I made this mistake. I would go to an incredible traffic source like Traffic Authority, and I would just send the traffic directly to an affiliate sales page. But again, the problem is it could take one person out of 100 to actually buy instantly, and you're missing out on 99 people that potentially could buy if you follow up with them. So you want to send traffic to a capture page, okay, a page that actually collects someone's email. Okay, so if I actually share with you this, for example, okay, so this right here is a capture page. Now this page, when someone clicks this button, it collects their email. Okay, so let me zoom out real quick so you can actually see what I'm talking about. It collects their email, and now it starts following up. And the exact system, again, that you can find out information on below, follows up with them for you. Okay, so it actually has built-in emails. But that's the next step. Okay, and you can see right here that I also sometimes collect my own emails and I follow up. Okay, at least 7 times. This is GetResponse, which is an email autoresponder service. And I have these pre-written emails that start following up. Now, again, this is crucial, and most people do not share this with you because they don't want you to actually succeed. They don't want the competition. Okay, gurus hide this from you because this is very crucial to know that you don't want to get frustrated if it hasn't been at least 10 days. Okay, so for example, if you purchase a clicks at Traffic Authority and you haven't waited, let's say you just purchased the gold package, which is very popular, the platinum package, and you just wait like 2 days and you go, where's the sales? Again, you're not waiting long enough for people to start going through the follow-up series. Okay, step 3 is after this time, okay, after this 7 to 10 days, about a week, you want to analyze your results. Okay, you want to actually go into your affiliate program that you're promoting or your products, and you want to look at your links. Okay, you want to start asking yourself, have you been getting leads but no sales? Okay, so if you've waited that 7 to 10 days and you haven't gotten a single sale, then maybe that traffic is not the best for that offer. Okay, so you want to think about that. Sometimes on Udemy, for example, they have different vendors, okay, that you can actually choose from. And sometimes, if you're getting a lot of leads but no sales, then you can change the vendor the next week if you run the next thing. Maybe you're not getting many leads. Okay, you're getting, impressions on your capture page, but people aren't putting their email in. It could very well be that capture page is not converting well. The headline, the colors is not resonating with that traffic, with that vendor, with that source. So again, you could tweak the capture page. Okay, you could change a different one. Again, this program here has 3 different choices. Okay, so you can actually choose a different one. You could also, maybe you got a few sales from a specific paid ad source. Again, maybe you're using Traffic Authority and a few other ones, and you can actually see, okay, Traffic Authority is giving me a lot of sales, this other one isn't. You want to make note of that after that period. And then step 4, and this is a very crucial step. Again, most people will not share this exact formula. Every week, you want to take 30% of last week's earnings, okay, 30% if you're serious and you want to scale fast, of last week's earnings, and you want to invest it into more paid advertising of what's working to scale. Okay, so I make a hard and fast rule with myself every Monday morning. I look at last week's profit. Okay, what did I actually make last week? Let's say I made, just for demonstration purposes, I'll make it very low. Okay, just to make this easy. Let's say I made $500 last week. Okay. Now, what I would do is that Monday, I would look at last week and go, okay, I made $500 last week. What is 30% of 500? Okay, so let me just multiply it like there. Okay, it's $150. So I would take $150 that Monday, and my goal is to spend that. Okay, and you're not losing that money. It's an investment into your business, into your family's future. I would invest that $150 into more paid traffic. Okay. And you want to invest it into the traffic that's actually working. So one of the steps was to analyze, okay, right here, step 3, analyze your results and then go, invest more. So again, if you go to, your tracking tag and you see, let's say Traffic Authority gave you 2 sales and another traffic source didn't, that next week, you want to take the money that, 30%, you want to invest it into traffic authority, not that other source, okay? And that's how you're going to keep scaling. If you stick to that 30% rule, there's always going to be 30%, assuming you're making money. And if you're not making money, it comes down to you're not using the right traffic sources, which I have videos on my channel of how to actually do, or you're not promoting a high converting funnel, which again, the link below shares with you the #1 affiliate program. And in fact, that first, right here, okay, this is actually coming from using that exact system. It makes sales for me, okay? And that's it, my friend. I hope you got a tremendous amount of value on this paid ad strategy. It took me a long time to actually learn this. I wasted thousands of dollars of my own hard-earned money into paid ads and never actually got results. I hope this saves you time, money, and effort. If you like this and you want me to make more, be sure to like this video and subscribe below, hitting the bell icon so you're always notified of my latest videos. And last but not least, if you want traffic authority or you want to access that free video revealing my #1 system and how it works, go down below to the description. If you're watching on YouTube, check that out now. Anyway, my friend, thanks for watching, and I will see you on my next video.